How's it going, guys? Red here with Red Knows How, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix your internet connection issues on your Xbox Series X or S. So there are a couple things that you'd be able to do. First of all, I would highly recommend that you get a LAN cable or an Ethernet cable and go ahead and just wire yourself directly into your router. If you don't have one of those, you can try to restart your router or move it closer. You could also get a Wi-Fi extender and stuff like that, and have that like put it in the hallway or something like that, somewhere a little bit closer so that you have stronger connection. Another thing that you can do is if you go to your settings and you go to network settings, go ahead and you can test your network connection or test your speeds. If that doesn't work, go to your advanced settings, and what you can do is you can go to DNS settings and go to manual, and there are a couple of codes that you'd be able to put in here. You do 1.1.1, that's one of them. And after each of these, what you'll do is you will go back and retest your connection. After that, try 1.0.0.1, and then go ahead and reset that, and you'll hit enter after all these. And then if that doesn't work, there are a couple more. There's 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 that you can try, and there are others on there if those don't work that you'd be able to Google and search just DNS codes and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope that was helpful. If it was, I hope I earned your like and your subscription. But just remember, if you don't know how, Red knows how.